Students, today we are going to see that how to draw structures in the Chem Draw, how to do all these things. So I am showing you my screen by opening Chem Draw, and you may understand that how to do all these things. So you see, first of all I am opening Chem Draw. Here it is a Chem office. So 2D structure first we are looking for how to draw it, and then after we will move towards 3D and other branches of it. As I am explaining you every time in the class also, the same I am preparing here in the video for your ready reference. So you see, first of all I am increasing the size of this screen so that it will be much convenient for you to operate. So I am making it almost 150%. Now suppose we want to make a structure which is polycyclic. So I am taking here, you see, one cycle of benzene, and then you may attach different cycles of any other compound or this compound or whatever. But you see, whenever this blue link is clicking, then only you should click for the structure. Otherwise it may make mistake. I will show you just now. You see, this time to check the correct this structure, what I am doing, I am just picking up this lasso. It is a selecting tool. The structure is being selected, and then we are looking for whether the structure is okay or not okay or whatever is to check the structure. We are going to the structure and then check structure. So it is showing here that no error is being found. So this is very good. So finally, like this, first you will draw the structure by taking tools of the Chem Draw, and then only you will decide finally whether the structure is correct or not. Now I am showing you that suppose you make a mistake, then how the screen itself is showing you that you have made a mistake. So this structure I am going to delete. It is being deleted. Now I am preparing another structure for your understanding. So here we have taken a single bond. A single bond is already here. So we are making a long chain compound by clicking every time. You see, I am clicking every time when there is a blue sign, then only I am clicking. Is it okay? So further I am taking here in the middle of, you see, blue I have been clicked, and here I am making capital nitrogen. So here, now you see, here there is a red pocket. Red pocket means there is a mistake in the structure. If you will check this structure, it will show a mistake. So that means there might be any valency mistake or any other mistake. So we should select the structure through lasso. I have been selected the structure. Now we are going to the structure and now check structure. So you see, possible error in drawing. So they are showing here nitrogen is being highlighted, and they are showing an atom in this label has an invalid valence. That's how. How do you took a hint that there was a red color signal in the structure? Then we went to the structure and we checked it, and it is being shown you that yes, there is a possible error in drawing. Is it clear? So that's how you check it. Now we are just removing this error by making this valency correct. You see, once I have been satisfied this nitrogen atom through valency, the red color is being gone. Now again we may check through structure by selecting this tool. I have been selected, and through this structure again you go to check structure, and you see there is no error found. Is it clear? That's how whatever structure which I explained you there in the class, in the practical to draw, you check these all structures by first taking hint is that there should not be any red signal in the structure which you have been drawn, and after that you must check the structure through this structure tab. That's how you are being satisfied that you have been prepared a correct structure. Now after doing this, again we are going to the structure and we are cleaning up this structure. After cleaning up the structure, the bonds which you might be making bonds, and they have some torsional strain or some other strain or something in there in the 2D structure only, then that will be cleaning up. After that we will be copying it and we will move towards the 3D structure change. So you see, clean up structure. You see, earlier the bonds were tilted this side, that side, and this and that. After cleaning up the structure is extremely cleaned now. Now again, right click, make copy. After copying it, we are going to get a 3D model. So through Windows, you just select the 3D model which you have, which is already saved in your Windows, in your computers. So here I am going to Chem Office. You see here Chem Office 2016 we have, and Chem 3D 16.0. I have been gone. Is it clear? So once you are coming here, now you see it is showing 3 tabs to you. Enable hardware acceleration for this session only, for every time, for disable or whatever. For this session you may enable it, and then after you may check later whatever you want. So I have done OK. So now the structure which we were copying from there, now here right click and paste it. The structure is being pasted. You see, once the structure is being pasted, now you may minimize its energy and you may save it as .pdb file, .mol file, whatever file version you want. You may save it to use further for drug designing purpose. Is it clear? For your computational chemistry further. So here what I am doing? I am doing the calculations. There are many force fields, mm2, mm force, 94, whatever. Here I am using first for your understanding mm2, and here you may do minimize energy or run mm2 job. So here I am showing minimize energy. Once you are doing minimize energy, and you have to run the program so that the program will be run. You see there are changes, and once you do it, the calculation is being end. Because it was a small structure, so very soon the calculation got ended. I will show you the same operation with a bigger structure, so you will understand. And to check that whether the structure which you copied is correct or there might be some mistake, so here in the right hand side the structure is also shown, so it is easy for you to identify whether I have been copied the right structure or not. Now to save this file, you go to file and then file, after save as. Wherever you want to save it, just save it on, and here you see there are different versions of the file, .pdb version, .msm, .mol. There are so many versions, Smiles version, because as per different software's requirement, we have to save different files. That's why here so many file versions are been given in the 3D Chem Office. So once you have been done it, you may save it, and then further you may use it as per your choice and as per your requirements. Is it clear? So this time I am closing it. Now we are going to prepare a bigger structure, a complex structure. Do you want to save the changes or not? They will let you know, and then once you do it, you will do whatever you want. So once you are doing it, now after we are preparing a